Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest in the world of mobile technology. And today we have something truly exciting to share with you. Sony Xperia 1.4. Get ready to discover the next level of smartphone innovation from one of the industry leaders, Sony. Before we dive into the features of the Sony Xperia 1.4, let's take a moment to appreciate the legacy of Xperia series. Sony has consistently pushed boundaries, combining cutting-edge technology with sleek design to create devices that redefine the smartphone experience. Let's dive into what makes the Sony Xperia 1.4 the talk of the town because everybody's talking about it these days. The first standout feature of the Xperia 1.4 is its stunning display. The device boasts a 6.5-inch 4K OLED HDR display with a 21:9 cinematic wide aspect ratio. This display is not only incredibly wide and immersive, but it also provides a cinematic viewing experience, making it perfect for streaming your favorite movies and TV shows. Xperia 1.4's display is a true testament to Sony's expertise in audiovisual technology, delivering unparalleled visual quality that sets it apart from the competition. Let's talk about the Xperia 1.4's camera system. Sony has always been the forefront of smartphone photography, and the Xperia 1.4 is no exception. It features a triple lens camera system developed in collaboration with their renowned Alpha camera division. The Xperia 1.4 excels in low light photography thanks to its large 1.4 megapixels and advanced image processing algorithms. So whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or taking portraits with beautiful bokeh effects, this device ensures exceptional image quality and detail. Let's talk performance. The Xperia 1.4 is powered with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, ensuring smooth multitasking, seamless performance. With its 5G capabilities, you can experience lightning-fast download and upload speed, making it ideal for streaming, gaming, staying connected on the go, etc. Whether you are a power user or a casual smartphone user, this device will exceed your expectations and elevate your mobile experience. Another standout feature of the Xperia 1.4 is its design and build quality. Sony has crafted this device with meticulous attention to detail, using premium materials to create a sleek and sophisticated smartphone. This device feels great in the hand and exudes elegance, making it a statement piece wherever you go. Sony's commitment to excellence in the design shines through, making the Xperia 1.4 a true masterpiece. And there you have it, Sony Xperia 1.4, a smartphone that combines innovation, stunning visuals, powerful photography, seamless performance, and premium design. Sony has once again raised the bar for smartphone technology. So if you're someone who craves an exceptional smartphone experience, the Xperia 1.4 is definitely worth considering. If you're still with us in this video, thank you for watching this video. Take care of yourself. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave comments with suggestions for me. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.